How to block and how to defend for roundhouse kick. Lesson 1. Now you can see our knee joint. It is most weak point in our human body. You can block like this. This block is a rising block. It is just like a punch. It is most powerful block. After that, you can apply vertical punch or any. At first, you can change your direction. It is safe mode. After, you can attack like this. Now let's see second technique. Our shoulder is most strong place in our human body. Now you can block with your shoulder and attack vertical punch or any. This technique used kickboxing and any most powerful martial art. These two techniques you can study and you can practice well.